Prostaglandins are naturally occurring lipid compounds derived from arachidonic acid that act as local hormones or autocoids, influencing smooth muscle activity, vascular tone, inflammation, and reproductive processes. Their analogues are synthetic derivatives designed to mimic or enhance these effects for specific clinical purposes. Based on their therapeutic uses, prostaglandins and their analogues are classified into 6 major categories. In obstetric and gynecological uses, prostaglandins such as dinoprostone, gemiprost, dinoprost, carboprost, and misoprostol are employed for inducing labor, facilitating abortion, and controlling postpartum hemorrhage, PPH. The mnemonic, delivery goes down and calms mom, helps recall these drugs. For cardiovascular and pulmonary indications, agents like alprostadil, prostacyclin, epoprostenol, iloprost, and treprostinil act as vasodilators, improving blood flow and treating pulmonary hypertension. They also help maintain the patency of the ductus arteriosus in neonates. This group can be remembered by the mnemonic, after painful episode improve perfusion. In the gastrointestinal system, misoprostol, PGI analog, is used to protect the gastric mucosa and prevent NSAID-induced peptic ulcers, summarized by the phrase, miso protects GI mucosa. For ophthalmic use, particularly in glaucoma, prostaglandin analogues such as latanoprost, travoprost, bimatoprost, and tafloprost increase aqueous humor outflow, thereby reducing intraocular pressure. Additionally, bimatoprost promotes eyelash growth. This group is easily remembered with the mnemonic, eyes look too beautiful. In neonatal and erectile uses, alprostadil serves a dual role. It keeps the ductus arteriosus open in infants with congenital heart disease and treats erectile dysfunction in adults. The mnemonic, A for artery open, A for activity restored, summarizes its action. Lastly, in miscellaneous or experimental uses, prostacyclin analogues are explored for their antiplatelet and vasodilator properties, while NSAIDs act as prostaglandin inhibitors by blocking PG synthesis. Overall, prostaglandins and their analogues serve as vital agents across multiple systems, from reproductive health and vascular regulation to gastric protection and ocular therapy.